Recording.
Get the fuck out of bed, bitch. Go.
Hi guys, so I've been talking to Market Cipher and the results I've been having over the last 2 weeks have been phenomenal. Now the signals I have on the screen are not yet Market Cipher, it's just something I've been using that's very, very similar. So I'm looking at doing this from the UK, bringing you more content about how I actually trade. Now I put a lot of news content out there just to try and grow the YouTube channel, but right now I'm doing that much trading that why not share the skills and show you what I am looking at. So there's a chap called Chad on YouTube. He's a massive Shiba Inu fan, and he basically gave me some pointers on his live stream about the order blocks. So I know about order blocks, I just haven't used them before, but this particular one that I use tells you where all the sellers are placing orders. When the market does come down and swings back up, then obviously some of the stop losses get moved. So if I'm selling at this point, my stop loss could be, above the price. As the price comes down, I would then move my stop loss just underneath this order block, so about there. So if I go out, I go shopping, and then the price comes all the way down, and then it comes back up and stops me out, I haven't lost any money. It just means that my short order has been closed. So that's one signal. The other one is Market Cipher. It's a copycat at the moment, but the momentum waves at the bottom here. Momentum waves are slightly the wrong way around at this point. This one failed, so where you get the blue momentum wave, green dots, and then the blue momentum wave decreases, you get the price divergence. So you can see the price is coming more to the upside, but the VWAP closes a little bit too early, and at the point of the momentum wave closing on the zero line, the VWAP actually comes below the zero line, so then we get a drop in the price. But as the VWAP comes back up, we then get a push back up in the price, and if you was to buy this at that point, you see the red bit here is actually a money outflow, so it gets quite deep here, but then it starts coming back up until it pushes up into the green ever so slightly. So this is what we're looking for. So the momentum waves to come to the upside, VWAP to the upside, RSI up to the upside. If everything's going up, you buy the market. So this is how I've been making my money over the last 2 weeks. So ordinarily, if I was trading how I normally trade, I would find support. So you see support, the market goes up. Once we start closing below this, I usually sell on the green candle. The market comes down and I'll be very happy holding this in my normal day to day. But right here, I'd start getting caught out without Market Cipher. So I wouldn't really know where to close. So this starts telling me, okay, the VWAP's below, momentum's below, I'm happy staying in. But what happens when the market turns around? Yeah, so I would have got in at this point on this green candle. I would have had a losing trade on this candle. Market Cipher tells me that blue momentum waves are decreasing. So even if we pop it to that one, yeah, the line's going up from the base to the upside, and the VWAP crosses. The VWAP crosses here, so that tells us money's coming in. The money outflow decreases, which means again money's coming in. Then the momentum wave and the RSI is all pointing upwards. It tells me to buy the market. So from literally this green dot down here, this green dot says buy. If you was to take a small leverage trade on this, up to the upside where the VWAP then crosses below the zero. So if I measure that, 3.72%, and directly around these two red candles, the VWAP crosses below the zero line. So it tells you to get out of the market. So a nice, if that was a 10x leverage, that would be 37.2%. Market swings around, then we get order blocks coming in. Order blocks are the ones where obviously the price comes down, the sell orders come in, stop losses get moved below, we're below the price, now the sellers take over. What happens there? The blue momentum wave comes below the 0 line, the VWAP starts coming below the 0 line, then we are in a sell trend. So if you like those sort of videos, pop a comment with your Twitter handle below, and if you're registered on Twitter, please follow me. I'll pop the link in the description. If you're on YouTube and you're not following Twitter, please go over to there. When I hit 2,000 subscribers, I'm going to start doing giveaways on the channel. So that would be anything from, it might be Bitcoin, it might be Ethereum, or it might be hardware. So if you're not already following me on Twitter, head over to there right now, pop your handle, and I'll give you a like and I'll give you a follow back. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.